Kortepohja Student Village. En Kortepohja Jyväskylä staircase. Niin.
Isn't Kone elevator?
In 1986, it's 18584.
Well, this would say it is Hissipalvelu R&R.
Yeah.
Strange pattern order.
Yeah.
Good fast.
Yeah.
Are you going to the green floor?
Yeah.
Se on se Vandelasta ollut.
Yeah. 6% for 180 kilograms.
One was brown better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Inspected, maintained by Kone.
They just started filming. Check this one.
Yes.
Elevator swapping. What?
It's like elevator.
Oh yeah.
Is it here?
Come soon. No Kone logo. Now it just started moving.
There's a vending machine.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Nice. Oh.
What?
I'll check.
Vandalized.
It's very vandalized.
Yeah.
Built in 1970, modernized in 1996, age 18585. Nice of you.
Yeah. Six percent for 80 kilograms.
Yes. Inspected by inspector, maintained by Kone. So is this also installed by Hissipalvelu R&R?
I think not, just staircase CEO.
Okay. Because it doesn't have any Kone logos, but it might be a same delivery because, yeah, probably same delivery. That's
That's